Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a video to help promote our website and help promote our floor and decor blog and just tell you a little bit about some of the things that we do. What you're looking at is a front page of our floor and decor blog, and as you could probably guess by the name, we write about floor covering. We do product reviews, we have cleaning and maintenance tips, we have all kind of great articles on strategies you could take to your local store to help you to use to help save you money when you're purchasing flooring. We have just all kind of information. We have information on budgeting. You know, if you're thinking about doing a floor covering project, but you wonder how much it's going to cost, we have articles that walk you through how to come up with a budget. So we just have a wealth of information. Our site is completely free. We don't, have any sort of membership fee or anything like that. So that's our floor and decor blog. We also have a page as I switch screens here to talk about area rugs. We have a whole page dedicated to area rugs. We separate our rugs in by size. We have kids rugs, an 8x10 and 6x9, and as I scroll down, it just goes on and on with the different sizes, area rug pad, and so forth. And what we do is we make recommendations to our viewers on where the best place is to go to buy area rugs online. And the reason we felt like this was important was because if you've ever shopped for just an everyday area rug for your home, it's hard to do in your local community. If you've gone out and tried to shop for area rugs, they're hard to find. Most of the retail stores and box stores have gotten out of the area rug business, and so most of the rugs that you find these days, if you want to have a large selection anyway, are going to be online. So what we do is we routinely visit most of the major sites, and then we try to find you the best deals just to try to help speed up your buying process and give you some pointers on where we think the hot deal of the day is. So again, we're at bestrugprices.com. I'm going to switch back to our floor and decor blog because this particular video, we're promoting Smartstrand Carpet, or we're not so much promoting it, but explaining what it is. And we've done that with our most recent blog article called Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. And it's really a lot more than a cleaning article. In the article or the blog post, we have all kind of information on cleaning. But we also talk about the warranty of Smartstrand Carpet. We talk about what it is, why it's so popular. We have, I think, in the article, 2 or 3 different videos. We have all kind of resource links that you can go to look at warranties and all that stuff. It's just a wealth of information about Smartstrand Carpet. So we would definitely love for you to check it out if you're shopping for flooring and have been looking at Smartstrand and wondering what it is. I'm going to put the link to the article in the description box below this video. Again, our site is completely free. We would love for you to come check out this article about Smartstrand. It just has just about everything you could possibly imagine in it to discuss about Smartstrand. And here one tip I will share is there's a lot of times the local stores won't tell you all the information. It could be you've got a new salesperson that's not knowledgeable, or maybe they just don't want to share this information, but we share it in our article. For example, with Smartstrand Carpet, in order to keep your warranty active, you have to use an approved vacuum cleaner from Mohawk that they recommend, or your warranty will be voided out. So in this article, we list 40 or so vacuum cleaners that they approve of. But and a lot of times, you might make a purchase of this carpet, and then you get home, and then nobody says anything, and next thing you know, you've got to run to this store and spend a couple $100s on a new vacuum cleaner in order to maintain your flooring. So this is the type of information that we share in this article, And we would love for you to come check it out. Again, I'll put the link in the description box. So I'm going to switch over real quickly to the Mohawk website. Mohawk Industries is the company that makes Smartstrand Carpet. But if you wanted to, get online and figure out what it is and who makes it and so forth, you can just go to Mohawk Flooring, and this site will pop up. But Smartstrand Carpet has been around for many many years. It's a great carpet. It's got a lot of different products within the Smartstrand line. You can buy carpet that's apartment grade carpet and relatively inexpensive to very very expensive plush carpet for a big home. So and everything in between. But this particular carpet is great for where it's a wonderful carpet if you own pets, because it cleans up so well. And I would encourage you to check it out and judge for yourself whether it's a carpet that would work for your home project. But it is a very very popular carpet. We get asked all the time from people, exactly what is this Smartstrand carpet, and most of the stores will have products in their showroom for Mohawk Smartstrand. So I wanted to do just a video to tell you a little bit about where to find information for Smartstrand, and in particular, as I switch back to our page here, our Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide is just a great resource article that goes into a lot of detail about Mohawk Smartstrand Carpet and the benefits of it, some of the issues that people have experienced, and we just have a wealth of information in this article that I'm sure will help you out in making a buying decision. So we'd love for you to come visit our page. Again, we're at bestrugprices.com, and I'm going to put the link of this Smartstrand article in the description box below. Please visit us, read the article. If you enjoy it, or even if you have concerns or whatever, leave a comment or two. We'd love to know what you think. Thanks.